Hi, welcome back to my channel. What is the SMA indicator? By the end of this video tutorial, or for beginners, you'll be able to use the moving average indicators to identify the trend of a stock and when a stock is reversing. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking on the notification bell. Okay, so why are moving averages important? The moving averages are important because they give the stock market structure. You will notice a stock will behave differently when it is near or far from the market from the moving average indicator. The MAs, which are moving average indicators, act like a magnet, so to speak. Any stock that moves far up, high, or low away from the moving average will eventually snap back close to the moving average. The further away it moves from the moving average, the faster it comes back to the moving average. An example of a bar that forms far from the moving average is the abandoned baby candlestick. When far from the moving average, normally you'll see the stock go right back up above the MA. Another candlestick that often forms above the moving average is the combination of the topping tail bar and a large red candle. Usually, this is a signal that the candle is reversing and the stock will be moving down. Another important element of the MAs is that it shows you a clearer picture of how the institutions are moving the market. The orders that you and I enter cannot possibly move the market or make a stock move. But institutions, on the other hand, use billions of dollars working together to move the market. When you see a large green bar or a large red bar, what you are actually looking at is institutional movement. Another way traders use the moving average is to determine when a stock is going to be reversing. Traders will usually use two moving averages represented here on the picture by the yellow moving average line you see and the blue moving average, which is a 9 and a 20. I've also got a black one, which is a 50 moving average on the screen. So traders will usually use 2 to 3 moving averages. So when price of a stock is falling, it normally will stop or bounce off the support level or the secondary moving average, or rise up to the resistance level or primary moving average. But there are times when the stock will go up past resistance and then continue rising. The same for support. If a stock falls below support, it will usually continue falling until it meets another level of support. Okay, and in these last two slides, again, you see the moving averages represented again by the blue, yellow, and black lines. So we're going to stop here for now. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please consider sharing, liking, commenting, and subscribing on my video, and let everyone know what I'm doing here at LR Options. Thank you.